This luxury island didn't just build a resort, they built an entire ocean.
Hidden far from the public, something extraordinary is happening.
A project so ambitious, it's changing the ocean itself.
This isn't just luxury.
This is engineered nature.
It started with one idea. What if humans could rebuild the ocean? Marine biologists joined forces.
Alongside visionary architects, we have realized the impossible.
And billion-dollar investors. Their mission? Restore life.
Massive coral structures are 3D printed.
Using eco-friendly materials.
Then placed deep underwater.
Waiting for life to return.
And then, something incredible happens. Then more. Then entire ecosystems.
Nature takes over.
Powered by advanced AI systems. Tracking every detail. Temperature.
Oxygen levels.
And marine biodiversity.
Above the surface.
It looks like a dream.
But below. Is something unreal.
Guests sleep inside the ocean.
Surrounded by life.
It has no screens. And it has no filters.
Just real nature.
And every stay is an opportunity to discover paradise.
Helps restore the ocean.
Because this isn't just luxury.